Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got the newly painted Mossberg Maverick 88 out. I've got some shotgun shells with me and we're going to see if we can find a couple of squirrels this morning in this new area. So what I didn't realize is today is actually the opening day of archery season for deer. And I really don't want to mess up anybody's deer hunt, and there was a truck already parked over there. So I'm going to try to go back into the woods a little bit. I don't know where they are, obviously, but I'll try to stay out of their way the best I can. Do some squirrel hunting, stay away from the main roads a little bit, and hopefully not disturb their hunts to the best of my ability. With that being said, it is extremely open, and it's going to be very easy to walk through here to see if I can find some squirrels. Right there. Well, there's the first one of the day. Finally knocked one of them down out of that tree. Well, there he is, the first one of the day. Just gonna make sure he is good and he's taken out. Yep, he is. Well, how about that? This 5-shot 1 1/4 ounce shell really did put a punch. This high brass, I was able to get a little bit better into those tree chops, but it knocked him right out of that tree. But I will take him. First one. Let's see if we can get a couple more. I know the squirrel is up in that tree closer to that side of branches, but I don't know where it can go, and I have the best vantage point here. I can't move this side because I got these limbs. This is way too thick. I got all these vines here. It's going to be hard to reverse too. So I'm just going to sit here, be real quiet, see if he'll move for me. Yep, he did. I'm just going to keep trained on him, but I think we got him. Finally moved out to a branch where I could see him. Just a little bit of patience. That's really what made all the difference. And when it comes to squirrel hunting, that's what it does, especially this early season. Gonna give him a minute to expire, then I'll check him out. Yeah, he did. And here we have it, squirrel number 2. Make sure he has been dispatched. Looks like he has effectively. And yeah, how about that? Looks like I peppered him pretty well. I will gladly take it. Well, that's the second one in the bag. Trying to go for at least 3 today. Do a little bit better than I have been last time, at least when I was out. Gonna go ahead, put him up, and continue my walk this morning. And I nailed him. Wow, look at that. The recoil actually knocked my true glow a little bit off. I need to put some thread locker. Number 3, very quickly in succession to that second one. How about that? This is going better than I expected it to. All right, let's go see what he looks like. All right, there's number 3. Make sure we dispatched him. Wow, he went out without a fight. I must have gotten lucky on a shot with him. Here we go. Number 3 in the bag. Looks like it hit a little bit farther back, but again, a little bit difficult to tell because it went down in a hurry. Throw him in the satchel, and we'll just keep walking down this trail. This seems to be very productive. Well, sure enough, I've been hearing acorns fall a lot out of this tree, and there's no wind, so I thought that was a little odd. Way up there, it is hard to see, but there is a squirrel. He's going to be pushing it, if I'm honest. I want to see if he comes out a little bit though, out of that little bit thicker stuff, and I just might be able to get a shot on him. We will see. I can't believe I got him that high. Wow. That recoil went straight to my face, knocked my GoPro around and everything. I don't know how good the footage is going to be on that, but holy cow, that is easily 40-yard shot right there. Pretty impressed with this load. Really impressed with it. Just getting towards the top now. And that's number 5 in the bag. Or at least I hope so. He felt like he was. He's in those thickets right there. I'm going to give him about 30, 45 seconds to expire, then go take a look at him. Time to load some more shells up too. I've spent about 15 minutes looking for that squirrel I just shot out of this tree right here. Unfortunately, I'm not able to find it. I definitely saw it hit the ground. I didn't think I saw it scurry off. Unfortunately, it's really thick, clearly back here. But I've searched all this area, which is I'm 99% sure the squirrel fell. I've tried to search some of this area. I didn't see it. So while I'm pretty sure I got that squirrel, it's really unfortunate, but I don't know if I'm able to find it right now. Actually, I say that. Hold on. I cannot believe I found that thing. Is that it right there? Yes, it is. He was in there. Yeah, he was going to be hard to spot. I'm glad I found him. Number 5, unquestionably. Let me get back out here on the main trail out of these thickets. It has been an incredible morning, my first time out here. 5 squirrels total for those of y'all counting at home. Could not be more ecstatic. Now, I'm going to go ahead, shut down the hunt here. 5 is going to be plenty for my needs. That's going to keep me fed for a couple of days at a minimum, so I really don't need any more than that. That being said, let's go ahead and get back to the truck. I'll tell you a couple of things I've done to this $100 Mossberg that managed to get me all these squirrels. What an absolute wonderful hunt. Got these 5 squirrels right here with the Mossberg Maverick 88. I did a much better job with this shotgun than I did with my Browning Maxus, which is a little embarrassing to say, but I probably took my time more. I tried some new loads with that 5-shot high brass, really reaching those treetops really well, and I used a modified choke instead of a full. Now, in terms of the shotgun itself, I bought this thing for $100 when I was in high school. Still have it today, about 7 or 8 years later. I bought a second one because I really like the Mossberg so much with the security barrel. So now I'm able to interchange that as needed for snakes and whatnot. The only things I've done to this shotgun since I purchased it is I went ahead and put the trigger kit in it from M Carbo. That dropped the trigger weight from like 8 pounds to closer to 4. It's not a great trigger, but it is much better than what it was. I also went ahead and added this little fiber optic on front. I do need to put a little bit of thread lock on that. Just helps to see it a little bit better because there was a front bead missing. And I went ahead and gave it a high quality paint job, just a Krylon paint job. Cost me maybe $15, if that, and since I already had the spray paint, it was really more like $4 just for the clear coat to go over the top. Added these sling swivels because they weren't on it, and then I already had this sling. So all in all, maybe $150 into the setup, and well, it was effective for what I wanted to do today. Well guys, I'm going to end it there. I do hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more like it or enjoyed it, please make sure to share, like, and subscribe for more. And as always, thanks for watching.